long as we're braking nice and hard before the turn, make sure we slow down enough to make it, and we'll just have some fun, okay?
Okay.
All right. Your foot on the brake, and pull back one time on that right pedal. Perfect. That's the first gear automatic. Don't go anywhere quite yet. I'll wait and see where they're going to put this. Come all the way right here behind that 4 stickers. All right. And the other thing is just make sure you never pass anybody unless I say it's okay. And if somebody's going to pass us, I will let you know, and I will take care of everything. Just do exactly what I tell you. Just make sure you always keep your both hands on the wheel, okay? All right, let's start to gently roll out here. We'll go past that white cone, and then we'll stay all the way to the left until the first corner, okay? All right, so my name is Jen. This is Christopher. We're out here today at Dominion Raceway. We're going to be doing 3 laps around the racetrack in this Lamborghini Huracan with Xtreme Xperience. All right, so we'll come up here. We'll test out those brakes a little bit. They tend to be pretty squeaky with the Lamborghini sometimes, so don't worry about that. That just means they're working good, okay? Start to gently add the gas. Come around this corner. Look way ahead. We've got an orange cone over here on my side, so we're going to come over to this side. Perfect. We're going to give it some gas all the way to those yellow cones. Beautiful. Just like that. That's perfect. We're going to lift. Give it a little bit of brake. Wait till we get all the way to the orange. Go ahead and lift, and now turn. Beautiful. That was perfect. Start to gently add the gas. Bringing it all the way around and just holding your hands right where they are. Keep adding a little bit of gas if you want to, just a little bit. Start to roll in the gas a little more if you feel like it. And then we're going to go straight over there towards those orange cones. All the way to the orange. And a lot of these right here, we don't usually need to brake. If we do, it's not much. So right now, we don't need to worry about it too much. We're going to go straight over to the orange. Believe me, I'll let you know if we need to brake. We're pretty good at that. So we're going to turn it in past the green. Start to gently add the gas here. Bringing it all the way around past the green. Over here to the red. Now this one, we want to stay on that near side, all the way to the orange cone, all the way up. We are going to go ahead and let this lead car behind us go around. So we're just going to stay all the way over here next to it. All right, let's turn it in. All the way over here behind the lead car, straight ahead. Very nice. A little bit of brake. All the way off, turn nice and tight past that green cone, and then look ahead to the orange on my side. Give it a little bit of gas, Christopher, all the way over to the orange, and then just keep turning. It's like one big turn all the way through here. It's like 5 corners turning into one. All the way past the green. Very nice, and then we're going to see some yellow cones. And we're just going to turn it in past the green on my side. Bring it all the way over to the orange. And go ahead and see, we're going to come around. Give me a little bit of brake. We're going to let this car behind us. Alright, perfect. Start to roll on that gas. Bring it around. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Now, once we get all the way to towards the yellows, get in a straight line. Give as much gas as you like, all the way to those yellow cones. Very nice. Alright, we're going to lift. We're going to brake nice and hard. Keep braking all the way to the orange cones. Now lift, and then we're going to turn it in. Nice and tight. Bring it all the way around. Now, keep it over on your side. We do have one more lead car that's going to go past us here. So give me a little bit of brake, just to let them pass real quick. There we go. Perfect. And then right behind them. How you feeling so far?
Okay.
You're doing awesome. All right, turn it in. That was an awesome first lap. Nice and smooth. Everything's good. All right, give them just a second. And then go ahead and give us some gas. They can't go quite as fast as we can. That's perfect. All right, so turn it in. Ready for one more lap?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's give them 1 second to pull away from us. And then get that wheel straight and as much gas as you like. All the way down. Bring it to my side. Keep going all the way to the yellow. Very nice. Keep braking. Bring it over to my side a little bit more. There you go. A little bit more brakes. Slowly off the brakes. There. Time if you want. We're going to be pitting, but if you want to give it a last little hoorah right over this hill, you can. What'd you think?
I love this car.
It's fun, right?
Yes.
Now turn it in, and that was awesome. You did it perfectly. You know, just kind of easing your way